So now we're going to do a more advanced example. We're going to add a video and put in some interactivity throughout the video. So again, I'm going to go into the content tab. I'm going to click on YouTube, so it brings me here. I've done a little search on how to do a burpee. I have gone through the videos and I've picked one that I want. Okay, so I'm going to use this video. So the video opens up, and just like before, I can assign it straight to the students now if I wish. But rather than doing that, I'm going to edit the video. Once the video edits, I've got three main options. I can cut the video, which means I can take little bits in and out of it. So maybe I want to take out the first couple of moments off the video.
Burpee properly and without.
And I can do that by just dragging the tab to the start. I can do the same at the end. I've got a voiceover option, which means that I can record my own voice over the video if I wish. But the most common option is going to be the questions. So in the video, I can assign multiple choice questions or open-ended questions. And finally, I can also add a note at any point in the video if I wish. So I select where in the video I want to add it, and I can play it through if I want. But I'm just going to skip ahead here for an example. And let's say I want to add a multiple choice question here. So I just click on multiple choice question, type in my question, I can add multiple answer choices here. So you can see beside each of the answers I've given it, I can put in a tick or an X. So that indicates the right answer in your eyes. So you can switch them, you can have multiple right answers. So I'm just going to set burpee because I haven't got a clue. And if I scroll down, I can add further answers if I wish. I don't have to limit myself. And once I'm happy with that and I've checked it and I'm secure that I've done it right, I can click save. And again, the program gives you a sample of what it's going to look like to the students, and you can see it's marked the right answer just to be sure. And I'm going to hit continue.
You want to spread the legs out a little bit more and get into a crouching position.
Okay, so now I'm ready to add a second question. I'm just going to at random put the position here, and we'll click on open-ended question. An open-ended question obviously lets you type whatever you want. And of course the student can write an open-ended answer. I click on save. There is no option to put in the correct answer. It gives me the preview. I'm happy.
The third injury that happens a lot is the shoulder.
And now the last demo I'll show you is a note. So I'm just going to forward up here and add a note. And students, of course, the video will pause, student will see a note, and then they can continue on from there. Now, obviously you can add as many questions and as you want, notes. So right now I'm happy with these three, it's one from each. So I'm just going to finish my editing of the video. And now I'm ready to assign it to the class once again. So I'm just going to go to the assign screen and follow the procedures as I did in the last video.